back to our channel. I'm Lala and my sister Mimi, is not here, but we've been filming separate videos because it's been hard to film together, but we're still a team, we're still collaborating on ideas and trying to find time of when to film together. So if you miss seeing us together, I know I miss filming videos with her. It's because we live cities away and it's hard to coordinate times to work together, but we're still trying to put up content for you all. And we both have like such great ideas that we just end up filming on our own because we're so excited and we don't want to not give you all some great content. So hopefully you like the videos that we post individually as well as together, because, well, we love making the videos individually and together, so yes. So today I am so excited. I wanted to bring you all a review on the Katy Hearn Glute Band because I bought it and I thought might as well share my review on it. I have other glute bands or resistance bands that I bought from Amazon which have served me very greatly, but so Katy Hearn is my body goals. I mentioned this, I believe, in our dream board video starting of 2018. She's always been one of the people that I've looked up to in terms of, body goals. So this year I'm really wanting to focus in and strive to attain that goal. But yeah, if you don't know who she is, I'll go ahead and link her information down below. She is preggo right now, which is so adorable. But I'm still looking at her pre, before she was pregnant. Like, I still look at her pictures and her exercises and everything like that, but she is still body goals for being a mama, which is how I want to look when I get preggo. So yeah, that was kind of a long intro, but I'm super excited. Also, since this is kind of like a review video, I wanted to try this BCAA sample. This is the Beyond Raw Precision BCAAs. It's from GNC. I got it in my Pro box. So they have a new membership at GNC now where you do have to pay for it, and it's like $40. I don't know. It was a gift. The membership was a gift, so I didn't pay for it. So I don't think I would pay $40 for a membership for GNC. Actually, I don't remember the cost, but I wouldn't pay more than what the gold card used to be. I used to work here, by the way, and my manager is the one that gave me the membership, or she bought it for me. I don't know. I never tried this flavor, so if any of you were, interested in seeing a kind of like a quick review, I wanted to take some BCAAs because I will be doing my favorite glute resistant bands workouts, trying out the Katy Hearn band, so make sure you stick around for that. But I sure do need some BCAA, so I might as well do a taste review while I'm at it. So if you're interested, you can stick around and see my quick review on this. If not, you can go ahead and skip on to the Katy Hearn glute band review and my little demo for the glute band exercises. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. And yes, thank you. Alright, so very quickly, I just wanted to list the ingredients in case you were interested. So this has, of course, the BCAAs, the 3 branched chain amino acids, isoleucine, valine, and leucine. And some extra ingredients for this one would be stuff that I can't pronounce, which is, I don't know. But it's basically for power and recovery. It's like cactus extract, peak force, and Chinese skullcap root extract. So herbs essentially to get your energy as well as recovery. So this is one serving. So this flavor is blue raspberry lemonade. So I usually tend to like tarty things, so I'm hoping it's tarty. Okay. This is funny because it reminds me of, what is it? The Pump HD pre-workout, the non-stimulant one. It tastes exactly like that. I mean, I don't know if you guys have tried it. So the taste is, I don't even know how to describe the taste. But it's tarty, taste fake. Obviously it is fake. It's not something that I would drink, you know, alongside with food. I know there's some BCAAs that taste like juice and that you can drink with, or I would drink with food or just throughout the day. This wouldn't be something that I would drink throughout the day. It just would more so be for like during my workout. So now to get into the real deal. Here it is, the packaging. It has her logo on it, which is really cool, and this baby blue minty, or I don't know if this is mint, but baby blue for sure. Yay! Oh dang, it's pretty thick. So that's what it looks like. So it's like this. It's very, let's see the resistance. Ooh, I'm not really sure what the resistance of this is, but if you can see, I can't move it easily, or maybe I'm just weak. Yeah, it definitely has a strong resistant hold, so I'm super excited. And on the inside, it has these sort of rubbery sewn in. It has like rubber sewn in, or it feels like rubber, I'm not sure what material it is, but so that it won't slip from your legs, which is so nice. Hopefully it works, because with the other resistance bands, they sure flop up and it can be dangerous actually. So and then the material is, I don't know what kind of material this is, but you can kind of see it's not elastic, it's like cloth. I say everything's cloth, but I don't know what material it is. So far, I'm impressed, and I'm ready to get a booty workout in. Yay! Oh, before I start my little glute workout, I just wanted to let you know the facts about this band. So this band retails for $20. The shipping is $5, so in total $25. But hopefully it lasts 5 gajillion years. I'll put down my full workout in the description down below, but I believe I will be doing supersets, which is workouts back to back. I'll do 10 to 12 for each. So hopefully you can follow along. I don't know what exercises I'll be doing. Should have probably planned this out, but I'll probably just do my basic ones that I always do. And I'll let you know my review at the end. It's really tight. It's like, naturally my legs are wanting to go like this because there's so much compression. finished my little glute workout with my new Katy Hearn Glute band, and I have to say it was a huge major success. As you can see by my sweaty self and out of breath self, it didn't slip, which is really nice. It was very restricting, but still had flexibility for, you know, enough to do kickbacks, which is really nice. So yeah, overall I have really good reviews. Tips I would want to give just by this one use of this band is you do have to play around with it. With the other resistant bands, I have placed them in different areas, such as below my knee, but this one I felt like it worked best above my knee. I felt it the most in the glutes. So just play around with it wherever you feel it more in the glutes. That's where you want to put it. Of course, always be mindful of your form. When I did the kickbacks, you'll notice that I went inclined, so I bent forward, and that's so that my back wouldn't be strained when I did the kickbacks. So whenever you do kickbacks with resistant bands or cable at the gyms, the cable kickback machines, or yeah, you want to have your full chest forward, straight back, and everything like that, so that you relieve tension from your lower back, and you'll feel it more in the glutes too. So I hope you liked my review and that you try out the little glute band exercises that you can again use as a warm-up, finisher, or a quick 10 to 20 minute at-home workout if you don't have time to go to the gym like me. Hashtag grad school life. I haven't been able to go to the gym as much as I wanted. I'm still adjusting, but I'll get there eventually. But for now, I have this little baby that can keep my glutes nice and activated and fired throughout the week until I can get my workout at the gym. Thank you very much for watching till the very end. I hope you liked this review. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Alright, it's time to hit the books now and time to say goodbye to my YouTube friends. Farewell until next time. Bye!